Hola, hola. Soy Tomás, your favorite Spanish teacher. And today we're learning phrases in Spanish. But what type of phrases? Phrases for shopping. Para comprar. Phrases that you can use at the store when you are buying something. La tienda de ropa. The clothing store. Then, how do we start? Well, first of all, you should greet a person before you ask anything. Okay then. Hola. Hola. Perdón? Something to say before you ask a stranger for something. So let's focus today on a clothing store. Hola. Perdón? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Hi, sorry. How much does this cost? There are also other ways to ask about the price. For example, por ejemplo, ¿cuál es el precio de esto? ¿Cuál es el precio de esto? Oh, but this is no clothing item. Or, ¿cuánto vale esto? ¿Cuánto vale esto? But please, teach me about the name of some clothing items in Spanish so I can specifically ask about them. La ropa, clothes. Una camisa, a shirt. Una camiseta, a t-shirt. Although one can also say el t-shirt in Spanish, right? Correcto! Now we have el pantalón, los pantalones, the trousers, the pants. In Spanish, this can be both singular and plural, although I would say we use it in plural more often. So, jeans are jeans. Yes, but in Spain they call them vaqueros, which means cowboys. Okay. And they also call them their tejanos. A belt is un cinturón or una correa in Spanish. But what about the ladies? Una falda, skirt. Un vestido, a dress. Una blusa, a blouse. Great. So, can I ask, for example, ¿cuánto cuesta esta camisa? ¿Cuánto cuesta esta camisa? Sí. And when you ask about more than one item, then you need to conjugate the verb with an N at the end. ¿Cuánto cuestan estos zapatos? ¿Cuánto cuestan estos zapatos? Muy bien! So, los zapatos, the shoes. For sneakers, we have several names in Spanish. Los zapatos deportivos, las zapatillas de deporte, los tenis, las botas, the boots, las sandalias, the sandals. And what about when we want to know when one of these items is? ¿Dónde está? Where is? ¿Dónde está el departamento para caballeros? ¿Dónde está el departamento para damas? ¿Dónde están? Where are? In plural. ¿Dónde están los zapatos deportivos? ¿Dónde están los zapatos deportivos? And when I want to ask if they have something, ¿tiene? Do you have? You're asking it in a formal way. ¿Tiene ropa para caballeros? ¿Tiene ropa de hombres? Do you have menswear? Then, ¿tiene ropa para damas? ¿Tiene ropa de mujer? Do you have women's wear? ¿Tiene trajes formales? ¿Tiene trajes formales? In Spanish, un traje, a suit. The verb usar means to use, but also to wear. Uso, I use, I wear. Then we have el número, the number. Uso número 43. I wear size 43. La talla, the size. More with clothing items. Mi talla es, my size is. We also have el número de calzado. For the shoes, para los zapatos. And we have also the verb calzar. ¿Qué número calzas tú? ¿Qué número calzas tú? Calzo 42. Calzo 42. Now, back to my size. Mi talla es pequeño, small, medio, mediano, medium, grande, large. And when I need a discount, ¿Tiene descuento? ¿Tiene rebajas? Does it have a discount? Rebajas, sale. When the stores have sales, you will see that big red sign outside that says rebajas. And when it's cold, un abrigo, a coat, we also say el jersey, el pullover, although that can be a bit regional. For example, in Spain I hear el jersey, and in Peru, el pullover. La chaqueta, the jacket. And now I will go to La Zapateria to get some shoes. Eso es todo por hoy. In the video description you will find all the vocabulary from this lesson. Muchas gracias. Adiós.